The jungle experience, baby. Let's fucking do this. Woo!
Getting crazy, haters. Getting crazy.
Fucked and drank all night. Acted all alright.
Travel party explore. Woo!
Tonight.
Getting excited, it's day 2. We're headed down south to South of Thailand and then over to Kho Phag Nan.
Full moon party, baby.
Yeah.
Stay tuned and see what the fuck we're getting into. Traveling is, you know, there's always more to see, there's always more to explore, and it just never gets old, really, you know. You just see all this beautiful stuff, and it's so great, and then once you think that's the end, it's just, there's always more to see. Mike, what happened?
I turned left and hit the gas and fucking dirt slid out from underneath me, stuck out my arm, and the camera had shit and my knee ate shit.
We're at the Amsterdam bar with my young, and it always seems fun, man. So here we go. I'll tell you guys how this is. I'm assuming it's not that well, but who knows. Hey, we're in Rome, right? Vegas can't be choosers. It is what it is. Kho Phag Nan. Woo! What's up, guys? We're here. We're about to go to the jungle party. Doing a little pregame and shit. We woke up at fucking 11. We didn't think we were gonna make it, but dude, we gotta do this shit. We're here, man. Love you guys. Wish you were here. You guys gonna see this shit with us, but stay tuned. We'll check back in a bit.
Nice to meet you, brother.
What up, man? I'm Mike. Nice to meet you.
Nico.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Where are you guys from?
California.
California.
Yeah. Pangan, awesome. I love you guys. We're gonna fucking party. We're gonna fucking rage. Woo! Woo! Yeah, we could have fallen asleep, but no, we're awake. We're gonna rage. Time to get some energy up. Woo!
Welcome to the jungle experience.
I just wanted to end the night by saying I love you guys, I love the world, I miss you guys, I wish you were here. Good night, goodbye, we'll see you again tomorrow.
Travel party explore!